and it will be easily explained for you how will be the induced current progress in the device. Now, the electromagnetic induction first be explained to Faraday experiment. एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 1, जैसा कि साइंटिस्ट ने एक बार मैग्नेट लिया और इस बार मैग्नेट के पास बेटा एक सर्किट। अब ये और यहां पर एक गैल्वेनोमीटर को कनेक्ट, डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड सर्किट की तरफ, लेकिन नो डिफ्लेक्शन in galvanometer because the bar magnet is at the some distance from the our side. Now in experiment number 2, once again we take a bar magnet and it will be closely near at the circuit, but we observe that no difference. In experiment number 3, a bar magnet moved in every direction of our set. Then we observe again no difference. But in experiment number 4, जैसा कि एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 3 में उस सर्किट के चारों ओर, जैसे मान लीजिए एक सर्किट, इस सर्किट के चारों ओर साइंटिस्ट ने उस बार मैग्नेट को घुमा दिया और जब चौथे एक्सपेरिमेंट में उसने ऑब्जर्व किया तो चौथे एक्सपेरिमेंट में वो देखता है एट द एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 4, when once again to nearby the bar magnet at the circuit, he observed that the deflection of the galvanometer is opposite direction of the magnetic. It is shown that the process of electromagnetic induction, it is always opposed to developed by that source, and it will be produce the induced current. And the mathematical relation of electromagnetic induction is generally represented by E is equal to minus N d phi upon d. E is equal to induced EMF. Now the question is arises in front of you, what is the EMF? That was generally full form of electromotive force. But what is electromotive force? Now it will be easily explained by our circuit diagram. That is the combination of battery, cell and key. In figure we observe that the key is open. When the potential difference to be developed between the positive and negative plate of the cell, if the circuit is open, that is called the EMF. If circuit of the key is closed, then it will be converted in form of terminal voltage. Now, the two important definition for you, what is the difference between the EMF and terminal voltage? What is the EMF? When our circuit or key is open and the potential difference is developed between the positive and negative plate, that is known as EMF and it is denoted by E. But what is the terminal voltage? When the key is closed and the potential difference to be developed positive and negative plate of the cell, that is known as terminal voltage, and it was mathematically represented by E is equal to V minus I. Now we discuss about what is the electromagnetic induction. We know that electromagnetic induction, it will be developed to the linkage of magnetic flux, and it is always supposed to develop by that source. That was the mathematical relation. E is equal to induced EMF, N is equal to number of turns, that was the coiling. Phi, we know that magnetic flux, small t, that was the time taken. That was a general relation for the level of the class 12th. But now we try to explain easily how will be the induced current. It will be developed to the linkage of magnetic flux, and it is always supposed to develop by that source. Why I discuss about the electromagnetic induction or induced current in that topic? Because when we discuss our right hand rule, so then right hand rule, that was the differ from our left hand Fleming rule, because the right hand rule is same as the left hand rule, but in same way thumb will show that direction of force, forefinger is show that direction of magnetic field, but the middle finger is show that induced current. That was the different from our Fleming left hand rule, because in the right hand rule thumb is show that same way the direction of force, forefinger is show that magnetic field, but the middle finger is show that induced current. And now we explain the different types of the method, how will we induce current progress in the device by the process of electromagnetic induction by the Faraday experiment. Okay students, now we meet to our another video another day. Until then,